Not a single one. I challenged them to show me where the troll farms are. I challenged them to show me where I boosted. I challenged them to show me where I bought ads. I have no troll farm. That is an insult to Filipino intelligence. Kahit na sa palagay nyo ba, yung mga bata, pag troll farm ang naglalabas ng fake news, hindi nila alam? Alam nila yan. Huli ka agad yan. Kahit walang silbi yan. I don't know why people do it.
Nag-hire ako ng libo-libo na troll army. Ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang ating troll army. Can you please show yourselves, Emerald, Franz, Gerald? Once in a while, nagko-contribute ako. Pero ito talaga, yan. Yan, that's what kept my political fortunes alive until here. And talaga naman, they did such a good job. Kaya tayo umabot sa ganito.